What's up, everybody? I just picked up this 1969 Corvette Stingray. I bought it sight unseen from the Bay Area. I had a friend of mine go check it out for me, and he kind of told me that the car was a good car, didn't have any body damage, no fiberglass repair needed, no rust. A few minor things he said the car needed, but I mean, for what I picked the car for, it was a good deal. It has a 383 stroker, manual windows. It's an automatic. It's got the original rally wheels on it. The interior looks horrible in it, but I'm going to change that out anyway before I sell it. But go ahead and check it out, you guys. 69 Corvette Stingray. You don't see too many of these. It's got the resole red already on it, so you know it'll go quick. All the chrome looks like it's there. Let me open the door for you guys so you can check out how ugly this interior is. I don't know why they did the interior like this. But it's gonna need carpets. I'm gonna have to re-wrap the dash, the seats, headliner. I'm gonna have to do a little work to it. I think I'm gonna have to change the door locks because the doors don't open from the outside. So I'm gonna have to do that. Let me see if I can get the hood open. So this is the engine. It's a 383 stroker. It sounds like it has a mild cam in it. It's got the MSD distributor. It starts right up, so that's a good thing. It doesn't have AC, but it can always be added. Other than that, the car, it seems like everything's there. I'm gonna have my guy. I got a guy before I sell cars. He goes through and kind of like does an inspection for me to make sure there's no issues with the car. So I'll have him go through and check the car out to make sure everything's right. I'm glad the hood goes down. So all the lines on the car look good. Like I said, the body's straight. I'm really kind of digging this car. I sold a 67 Corvette not too long ago. I really love those body styles. It's got the the bigger windows, but this, it's got the this has got the trunk set up, and it's kind of cool. I like the look of it. It's just like a shark going through the water, and you don't see too many on the road. So I'll start them up for you one more time so you can hear. But this is actually going to be part one, because in part two, I'm going to take him to my mechanic and let him kind of go through the car and give you guys some feedback on that. And then after I take him to the mechanic shop, I'm going to take him to the interior guy so you guys can see what happens when I take it to the interior shop. But yeah, I'm going to take you through each step. And then after I take him to interior and have him ready to sell, I'm going to actually walk you through the selling process of how I get down. So you guys stay tuned.
Officially, I only got one real spanking my entire life. My mom did the best a 14-year-old could do, raising me with love and instilling values that will last a lifetime. I was a straight-A student and lived to make her happy. So how did I go astray? A horrible stepdad that stole my self-worth and invoked fear turned me into a person that I struggled to overcome. From skateboarding to selling drugs, gang banging in juvenile hall, I got caught the same way many young promising men get caught up. I struggled to find my identity, getting mixed up in shootouts, crime, and the adult entertainment industry. This roller coaster continued as I juggled college, hustling, and Hollywood, eventually catching a federal bank robbery case. I found redemption in prison while serving a 120-month federal sentence and came out a man on a mission. I became a social media influencer with over 500 million views on YouTube and a life coach mentoring people all over the world. This is my journey against all odds.
Lockdown's over. Get your yard time in. Exclusively at FreshOutSeries.com.
Are you tired of the smell of funky? Have you washed your ass? Go to BigKirk916.com and get your nutsack run.